Before the next part of the Bully playthrough does start, guys, I just want to say I'm really sorry of what's happened, but since my computer got wiped and all that, I've had to reinstall my editing software, all the games and that, but I've ended up losing my part of where I was in the Bully playthrough with some parts, so there's going to be lots of stuff missed in the playthrough. I'm sorry, I promise it will not happen again, but it's so unfortunate that I've lost it. But what has happened in most recent times is that I think we've helped the teacher do some chores and that shit. That's pretty much it that I can remember. I think we've also if I remember from other places as well, we also helped Mr. Galloway out. He did have a drinking problem, so we had to collect all the bottles for him and get rid of them so he wouldn't get fired. I think that's about it. I think that's about it. Oh yeah, we also helped out the prep chick. I forget her name. But get at the front of the line for a movie, so we had to do a bunch of weird shit for her, so that's about it. I'll see you all in the video. I will catch you later.
You want this to get serious?
Alright. Oh, what the hell is going on?
Kick your ass.
Something's going on here.
Oh,
there's a fight going on. Holy shit! Holy shit!
See this? Who's that alarm? A fire! It's the dirt! Come on, then. It's a fire!
I wonder who pulled it this time.
People like you that cause unrest. Oh, God! Trying to be cool. Johnny! A fire! He got me out of.
We need to get to a quiet place. Oh, here we go, finally. Alright, what's going on, guys? Mr. Honor here today. And sorry for that whole big fucking...
Someone would cause some trouble.
Fuck no, how about you shut up? I'm gonna beat your ass. How do I run in this? I forget.
I wonder, did the Army receive my application?
Oh, there we go, that's better. I'm trying to just figure out the controller because I haven't played this in a bit. And I just spit then. That was rude.
Miss the bell and I'll make your life hell.
Oh, yeah?
I hope the police got my application.
Can everyone just shut up while I do my intro, please? Oh my god. So yeah, I'm continuing the Bully. We did lots of shit, and I think we got class now. We got shop class, so let's go to it. So yeah, what's happened previously? We did a bunch of stuff involving with the lunch lady, helping out the prep chick, and now we're gonna go to class.
Did Nurse McRae ever give you a...
Get a job! You better not damage my clothes!
Okay, here we go.
Jim, go stand over by the bike workstation. Wait, I don't get to work on cars? Cars are for seniors. You gotta walk before you can run, boyo.
Alright, let's do this.
Oh, you screwed up there, son. Try again.
Already up to a bad start.
I guess you're not useless. All right, you're getting somewhere now. You have some real skill there, son.
We did it! Woo! Alright, that's enough for that bullshit.
I should give lessons.
Okay, looks like we got a decent bike. Got average speed and acceleration, but it's got great handling.
Another good deed done. What's going on here?
Only small offenses, I guess we gotta go do that.
All I need are my pinups.
Everyone
ever let
thinks
me
bigger
down.
is better around here.
If you drop out of school... Girls are useless. They just screw you around.
Look who's
If you
decided
were
to
smart,
bestow
you
us
get the
with
hell
the
off our
business.
turf.
Keep your head
You're
high.
such a loser. You don't have an ounce of cool. Hey. Alright, man. Later. Later, dude.
This will just run like this, it'd be easier. Wait a second, let me turn down some of these volumes here, they're so loud. Yeah, that's probably good. Can I edit these? Nothing on display. Okay, so.
Who trapped you? I'm long, Moonbeams.
Who dresses you, Hopkins? That crazy hobo? Later. Catch you later. Got to this fight. This uniform looks really good.
It's like cracks in the ground. What is this?
See you around, kiddo.
Talk to you later.
Be well.
Later, alligator.
It would be nice if
Okay.
you showed your interest in me by
I gotta buy a ticket.
presenting me with a gift of some kind.
handle the skill?
Taking a field trip to the School of Life, huh? Great idea. School.
No, I don't want to give you a gift, Beatrice. Oh, it's so loud. I need to edit these sounds so much. It's so ridiculous.
Lightning don't strike twice in the same place.
Ladies and gentlemen, the most exciting
Ooh,
game
almost
in
hit
the
that
world.
chick.
It's been fun,
Absolutely, fair game. You have
Crap.
a huge chance of winning.
Offensive, degrading, patronizing, stereotyping crap. Die!
Hey, lady, you okay?
No, I'm not okay! Look at this!
It's just a garden gnome.
No, it's not! It's an insult! It's a joke! It's demeaning! I mean, I'll happily have kids laugh at me or have grown men ask me to do bizarre things to them, but I will not have this! This is so degrading.
Is there something I can do to help?
Smash them! Smash them all! Old Bullwoodville's full of them. Please, I'll even pay you. Just make it stop hurting.
Alright.
Jimmy comes through again.
The ancient...
You want an adventure?
Boy,
Test your skill right here.
We're not really gonna do anything because... I'm not really gonna do it because, it's not really worthwhile.
What are you in crap? What else could you possibly want to be doing?
Married the wrong sister.
Can't learn much math.
Playing hooky every now and again is okay, but this is getting ridiculous.
Hey,
You should be at school.
you ever hand deodorant?
This is what I think of you.
Got a serious cracks in the ground. I never noticed that before. On a bony bike.
Good day. Later, friend.
I got any biking your life.
Check this.
See you on the bike trails.
Now I gotta go find where it is, and we'll just ride around and do random shit.
Smart kid.
Good
Street
luck to
smart
you,
to
pal.
one count, not book smart.
Be well.
You be safe now.
We have to take care.
See you around, kiddo. Bye then.
You ain't gonna learn much by skipping
Ain't it school time? You ought to be ashamed.
They were like, shut up, they're all speaking at me.
Then you ain't gonna pass. My daddy always
It's like, no, come as class, 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 come as class. Get off the mic, get off the mic. Find the prefect. Beat him up, beat him up, beat him up, beat him up.
Wow, you're like really pretty.
Get off me.
believe you asked me. Of course.
That was
Sorry, but I have to go study.
Don't arrest me. Yes, thank you.
I told
Better
you
stay
I'd
out
bring
of
you
trouble
down.
for a couple minutes.
Welcome to photography class. I'm Miss Phillips. I'll be handing out your cameras and first assignment in a moment.
Oh, that's good. It was on my stupid headset that's too loud. But should be better on
Troublemakers will
the
be
video
found
end.
and punished. I'm going to find some troublemakers
Hey,
today.
you look nice. Can you give me something that will remind me of you?
How did Washington bust so many products from
rather than fight real crime.
This style is called the Devastator. No trouble don't make it. I'm
What's
going
cooking?
to run, but you
I have to go record somewhere else now.
You're but moron! I just don't understand. I need more growth hormone. My fist would love a face-to-face with you.
Can you shut up? Can you shut up for a minute? Like, I'm trying to take a
You're
photo.
just not prefect material, punk. Nervous? Trouble yours. Good.
He's like just making these bricks to me. Like, what is this, man? Like, shut up. Stop hounding little girls. You're a bully. Hey.
I'm gonna go snicker snack on your rear end. You're really gonna get it now. Those are illegal. You cannot harm me, for I am wearing my rings of protection.
Hello, fellow students. Why am I so attracted to bad boys? Sport teams to and beyond.
I don't want to see any trouble.
Miss Phillips, I'm gonna rip out your heart and beat it to you.
Darby says that it's okay to date trashy girls like Laura, just as long as you don't bring her to any parties.
Well, what do you want from me? I was just thinking. Man, that sucked.
This whole school is like a giant version of my dad.
What is that on
How's
your
it going?
feet?
What's up? What's buzzing, cousin?
You're in the wrong part of town, rich boy. You're in the wrong part of town, rich boy.
Shut up. Yo, shut up. Just like a.
It's better if you
You were
swerve.
smart. You get the hell off our
Have a nice
turf.
trip.
Come on. You dress like a clown.
I'm gonna get up to crank you.
Run! 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 I'm gonna get harassed! I'm gonna get harassed!
Limb from
Hey,
limb.
there's tracks nearby. You're on the wrong side of.
I'm a well-oiled machine. I'll get you. Oh yeah.
Damn angry.
Oh, Jimmy.
Damn it.
Ever been to New York? That's where everyone who matters goes, you know. That's
I don't care anymore.
dangerous.
This is it for you.
I wonder if girls will ever like me.
If I don't get that
What's
A,
the
my
dealio,
What's
dude?
up?
Everyone's so fake. No one says what they mean.
Yo, what up? Check it out, not tolerate
Sources
indiscipline.
say the press conduct
Library
demonic
fines are
seances.
unfair. $20 is a lot of money.
Did it. Woo!
Great work, Jimmy. It really shows your sensitive side.
No, it doesn't. What are you talking about? Roger, weird lady.